not for the better. Yet there are meaningful exceptions. Besides Naaman getting a chance to live, there's Cuddy making a life out of the game and making a positive impact in young people's lives. Prez getting control of his class and actually teaching them math, and Bubbles overcoming incredible pain and addiction to get clean and share his story with others. All those people needed help to get there. If Bunny Colvin teaches us anything, it's that, however big or small the result may be of your impact, you still have to go ahead and try. When you look around you at all that's not working, how can you not give it a shot and with the program? That's the take. Click here to watch the video we think you'll love, or here to check out a whole playlist of awesome content. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.
Everybody in New York was calling his damn Mr. Nice Guy. We met all kinds of customers.
I know, go check out the Big Homies Buy Me a Coffee. Go straight to his YouTube channel by clicking his name and hitting them 3 dots, right?
Observe.
You're Scarface, right?
Yeah.
I love Al Pacino, man.
You ever
see
get to
Son of a Woman?
Yup.
You ever see?
That's gonna be my next campaign. I'm gonna be the enhancement smoker. You dig? You ever build a set of Legos? Yup. You ever build a set of Legos on weed? Dude, it's a trip. There's Legos sitting in the bushes. What? I don't know. Does he have a gun? Red team go, red team go. Hey, man, I'm gonna have fun with this shit today. Fuck y'all. Hey, shout out to my haters, because I gotta give them something to hate about, right? Right, he just sitting here stealing people's content, building Lego sets. Hell yeah. AKA Another Day in Paradise. Anybody don't like it, make sure you hit the thumbs up on your way out. Yeah, spread the positivity. Just don't even be a hater. Yeah, forget all about what you was thinking.
Son of a woman. On weed. That's the way to say it, man. It's just whack.
$60, yo.
Cool, man. I got it. Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill, man?
No, I don't know, yo.
Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill? On weed? Oh, there's some weird shit in there, man. There's a dude sitting in the bushes, man. Does he have a gun? I don't know, man. I don't know. What? Red team go. Red team go. It's just some weird shit, man.
Man, you fucking crazy, yo.
Oh, it's cool. Thanks, man. Hey, yo, wait. Dude, I'm gonna check out the stars later. It's really trippy. Especially on weed, man.
What's up, everybody? I'm here in the Smash Lab at the Nug Smasher Factory, aka the Hot Box, and we're here with the Nug Smasher IQ. Today, something really exciting. We're gonna do 2 extractions. Both have 3.5 grams of flour in them. We're gonna do a flat extraction, a rectangle extraction.
What up? I know to go check out the Big Homie Triple D.
On the Nug Smasher IQ, I'll show you how to do that. We'll measure the results in and out so we can see, what the better method is. So stick around. We're going to be using Master Extractor screen on the IQ. It's going to be a pretty neat video, so stick around. Stay tuned for this one. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll do the bottle tech extraction, because that's quick and easy, okay? And the Nug Smasher IQ, if you guys have been looking into an amazing machine, it absolutely does everything automatically. I'm going to do 650 material PSI in this flour that I got in the bags here. It's a 90 micron bags. I'm going to do them both for 2 minutes. So I'm going to leave everything the same except for the surface area. I'm going to put it in a rectangle over here on the Master Extractor screen.
Alright, so let's see. I just finished step number 13. Yay! There's a lot of steps on this. Might be at this for a minute to keep telling y'all. I gotta get y'all some hobbies. That way you don't mind doing shit all damn day, right?
But exact size is what